Hello beautiful people out there, this is again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back guys. Today in this video I'm gonna give you golden color XMP preset for your desktop, for your camera preset, also for your Lightroom. So this preset can be used in your desktop Lightroom, also if you are using a latest version of Lightroom, and also in the Photoshop. So we can install this preset in our Photoshop. So just right click on it, select copy, and you're gonna just go to the C drive, select the user, go to the ashvircreation user or whatever the name of the PC is, just go to the app data folder. This folder will be hidden, so make sure to click on the show hidden files and folder. Just go to the roaming, go to the Adobe and select the set camera, go to the settings and just paste that preset over here. And I have already pasted, so I don't have to replace. So here is the golden color ABC 2020 golden color. Remember the name of the preset. Now let's open up the Photoshop and we're gonna just test the preset. So just go to the filter, select the camera filter, and from the preset tab just find that preset that was golden FP golden color. Where is it? Let me find. Again, just go to the filter, select the camera filter. If you can't find that preset, I have to restart your Photoshop. Yeah, that I've forgotten. So what else we can do is, let me just load the preset. So just load the settings, and here is the preset color, and here you are done. As you can see, the golden color is reddish kind of effect it is giving to the photo, which is very pretty amazing. So let's just click over here, just go to filter, select directly the camera filter, and you will see the magic, guys. The totally awesome autumn kind of look it is giving to the photo, which is very pretty amazing and kind of cool filter. Whole photo would be converted into kind of very autumnish look, which is pretty perfect, kind of teal and kind of saturated autumn color, which really gives a unique kind of vibe to the photo. So I hope you all have enjoyed this preset. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos and presets like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website www.ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com to download all the premium collection of presets just for free. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.